This is the Volkswagen Jetta Mk6, and a lot of people ask if you can flat tow these vehicles. Well, actually, yes, you can flat tow these vehicles in an emergency situation. There is even flat tow eye here, so you will take this out, install the towing eye here, and tow this car. But Volkswagen says it's up to 50 kilometers, so about 30 miles, I believe. You can tow these vehicles, and the speed must be lower than 30 miles per hour. And actually, if you call a Volkswagen dealership and say, and ask them, can I tow this, can I flat tow these Jettas, they say no. They say no because automatic transmissions in these cars, they don't like this. The conventional automatic transmission with this 2.5-liter engine and the DSG transmissions with newer TSI engines, they don't like being flat towed. This is a very bad idea. So if you're considering towing this behind an RV, like recreational vehicle, I don't think it's a good idea. You will need to get a dolly for the front wheels. All these Jettas are front-wheel drive only, so there are no all-wheel drive vehicles, so you may easily tow it with front wheels on the dolly, and will not cause any damage for anything. But if this is an automatic Jetta and you want to emergency tow it, I would think twice. I would probably call a tow truck, because you're risking damaging the transmission. And also the ATF pump will not work when the engine doesn't work. So the transmission will not be cooled, the transmission will not get lubricated, and the result of this is that the transmission may get critical damage. So consider calling a flatbed tow truck, or at least using a dolly for the front wheels if you need to flat tow these vehicles.